Hello everybody and fellow hairdressers. I'm Liz, as you know, and Delia, my daughter, from A Few Grey Hairs.
Hi.
So we've reached webinar 6, and webinar 6 is all about wigs. We are going to show you how to make a wig smaller or larger, whichever the case may be. Wigs for children, synthetic hair versus human hair we can discuss. We can actually show you how to curl synthetic hair.
That's very important.
Yes.
Something new.
Yes. And there's lots to know about wigs and the care and the life of a wig and which wig for which client. But there are lots of little tips that we can pass on to you that has taken many years to find out.
And part of webinar 6 is where we're going to be taking hair and adding it into a wig of your choice. It's a particularly nice aspect. It's called Hairs with Love, and the idea is that the community, whether it be a client or a family of hers or friends or just the general public, donate hair, and you're able to then convert it into strips like this, which is lovely and soft, pliable, lightweight, that can be then added to whatever your client needs, really. We must mention that for webinar 5 and webinar 6, we encourage you to do webinar 3, both parts, to be able to fully benefit from what you'll be learning in the latter part of 5 and 6. So we really look forward to joining us. It's our 6th webinar. It's on the 16th of May 2022
At 9:30.
at 9:30, and we'll see you then.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.